Now example number 3.14. A man walks on a straight road from his home to market 2.5 km away with the speed of 5 km per hour. Finding the market closed, he instantly turns and walks back home with the speed of 7.5 km per hour. What is the magnitude of average velocity and second average speed of the man over the interval of time from 0 to 30 minutes? All these interval are given 0 to 50 minutes, 0 to 40 minutes. Okay, so we calculate it. Okay, you keep your textbook open while you watch this video. Okay, so here the thing which is given, I am drawing it for you. Okay, say here this is the path, and here home, this is a market. Person is moving at the speed of 5 km per hour. Okay, 5 km per hour, and the distance between home to market is 2.5 km. Okay, now as you know, average velocity is given by displacement upon time interval, and the speed is given by path length upon the time interval. Okay, so by using these equations we can give the answer. First of all, what is the time to reach the market? That we shall find from this. He is moving at the speed of 5 km per hour, and as you know that time to reach market is nothing but displacement upon velocity, and displacement will be 2.5 upon velocity is 5 km per hour. So 1 by 2 hour he will take, or we can say 30 minutes. Okay, so this is very easy to understand. Okay, now the question is for the first 0 to 30 minute. Okay, what is the average velocity? Now average velocity is nothing but displacement upon time, and the time is 1 by 2 hour. Okay, displacement is 2.5 km, so easily you can calculate it that for the first 0 to 30 minute average velocity will be displacement, that is 2.5 km upon time taken, that is 1 by 2 hour, so this becomes 5 km per hour. So it's very easy. Average speed can also be path length upon time interval. Now the path length is same as displacement, time interval is 1 by 2, so this is also 5 km per hour. Both are same. That is this average velocity and average speed, both are same. Now for the next 0 to 50 minutes. Now try to understand. He returns back after 30 minutes. Okay, so whenever he reaches at market, he found that market is closed, so he comes back. Okay, so while going he take 30 minutes. Okay, so if you try to understand the time interval of 0 to 50 minutes, then 30 minutes he reaches at market, and then next 20 minutes he is on the way back to home. Okay, now he is covering the distance of 2.5 km only. So while returning, for return journey, let us find out the time which it takes. Say time t2 I write, or say t prime, because t we have taken. So right now I take as t prime. Okay, so t prime is the time. So t prime is equal to distance travel. That is, to come back same distance he will travel 2.5 km, but at the speed of 7.5 km per hour, so it takes 1 by 3 hour, or we can say 20 minutes. Okay, now total time to reach the home will be going is 30 minutes, coming back 20 minutes. So total time will be equal to 50 minutes. So in 50 minutes, try to understand, he is at home. He is again at home. He goes this way and comes back. So his displacement is equal to 0. Okay, therefore the average velocity if you write, then that will be displacement upon time interval. Okay, time interval will be t plus t prime. Okay, but the displacement is 0, therefore average velocity will be 0. Okay, average speed if you want to find, average speed, then path length 2.5 going, 2.5 coming, so it becomes total 5 kilometer upon total time interval is 50 minutes, convert it into hour, so it will be cancelled out, this will also be cancelled out, 6 goes up, so it becomes 6 kilometer per hour. So you can see average speed is 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, now the next time interval is given, it is 0 to 40 seconds. Okay, so again you try to understand, 30 minutes he takes to reach the market. So home to market he takes 30 minutes. Now in next 10 minutes, where is he? That we should find, where the person is. Okay, so distance travel in next 10 minutes. Distance in next 10 minutes, because 30 minutes he is going to reach at market. In 10 minutes how much distance does he travel? So that distance travel from market towards home will be equal to velocity multiplied by time, and velocity of returning is 7.5, just I am taking magnitude right now. Time interval is 10 minutes, convert it into hour, so this becomes 1.25 kilometer. So he is here somewhere, 1.25 kilometer from market. So displacement, try to understand, going there and coming back is path length, but how much he is away from his home? Then he is away, you can see he is just away 1.25 kilometer from home. So displacement from the home is 1.25 kilometer, because total is 2.5, 2.5 minus 1.25, so his displacement in this total 40 minutes will be 2.5 minus 1.25, so this becomes 1.25 kilometer. Okay, now average velocity is nothing but displacement, that is 1.25 kilometer upon time interval 40 minutes, 40 by 60 converting into hour, so you will get 1.875 kilometer per hour. Okay, now if you want to find average speed during this, then going to market, home to market, and again coming to this 1.25, so total 2.5 plus 1.25, so it will be total distance will be the displacement, and that is 2.5 plus 1.25 divided by total time interval is 40 minutes converted into hour. So simplifying this, you will get 5.625 kilometer per hour. So from this you can get the idea of the speed and velocity. Speed is nothing but change in position upon time interval or displacement upon time, while speed is nothing but path length upon time. Path length is total distance covered, actual path length on which, or actual path on which you are traveling the distance. While in the velocity we consider the final position minus initial position, that is change in position, or we take displacement. That idea can be very clear from this calculation. Okay, thank you very much. Here our chapter is over. Okay, now next time we shall begin with the new one. Okay, thank you.